Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today's video is very special because in this video we are going to see how to write OC question number 1 objective type questions or MCQ questions in board exam. I posted one video on time management. If you have not watched it, do watch it because in that video I mentioned how much time we have to give for question number 1. Generally, we can give 30 minutes for question number 1. So in this video, I'll show you how to improve the paper presentation and how to write question number 1. So let us start. This is our answer sheet. Once you get the answer sheet, it is better to draw some extra margins in it. So there will be good paper presentation. You can draw one margin here, one margin here and one margin at the right side of the paper. So in this way you can draw 3 extra margins. The question number we can mention in this box which is here, and in first margin we can mention the sub question. Then in the internal margin we can mention the question number 1 or 2. So in this way we can utilize these margins. Even here you can mention the question number and here you can mention the point number. Whatever headings or points you are writing, that you can mention here. This margin should be kept for just the good for this margin can be kept for the good paper presentation. And if the answer sheet will be tiered, then your answer will be safe. So in this way we have to draw extra 3 margins on each and every page. You know there are different types of MCQs and any 4 MCQs will be asked in exam. So we will see all types of MCQs in this video. One type of MCQ is select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. Understand the question. Here one fill in the blank will be given with 3 options. We have to select the correct option and we must write the complete sentence. We'll take example. Dash was regarded as father of scientific management. In bracket 3 options will be given. So in answer sheet we have to write F.W. Fayol was regarded as father of scientific management. Then we have to underline this answer. You must write the complete sentence in this type of MCQ. The second example, principle of dash is not applicable to life insurance. 3 options will be given. We have to select the correct option and we must rewrite the full sentence where the answer should be properly highlighted and underlined. So this is the way we will write this type of MCQ. Do not write here the question like select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. Do not waste your time to write the question. You must write only the answers in your answer sheet. Do not waste your time to write the questions. Here we will write the whole sentence because it was mentioned in the question that rewrite the sentence. Now if the match the pairs will be asked, then how to write it? See, in the match the pairs, 2 groups will be given, group A and group B. We have to write only group A in our answer sheet and then we must write answers. So this is the way we will write match the pairs. Draw one line in the middle of the page, write here group A, on the other hand write answers. Then first question, suppose planning, select the right answer, deciding in advance, then leave one blank line. Then write the second option, B to C, write the answer business to consumers. In this way you have to attempt match the pairs. Suppose the question like give one word, term, phrase for the following sentence. If this question is asked, then how to write? Suppose the question is the term derived from the terms email and e-commerce. Here in answer sheet you are not supposed to write the question. Just write your answer here. The correct answer is e-business. So you will be writing only the answer for such type of MCQ. We will take the second example. A legal action initiated in a court of law regarding a matter of general public interest. Do not write question in your answer sheet. Simply write the answer. The answer is public interest litigation. So this is the way you must attempt give one word, term or phrase type of question. Suppose state whether the following statements are true or false is asked. So how to write it? We will take example. Business services are important for the growth of business. Do not write this sentence in answer sheet. Just write down whether this sentence is true or false. So the answer is true. So you will just write your answer here true. We will take the another example. Media does not play important role in public life. Simply write down answer here false. So in this way you will attempt true or false in board exam. Do not write the statements, just write down the answers. Suppose the question find the odd one is asked, then how to attempt it? We will take example. NABARD, RBI, SIDBI and EXIM. Which one is the odd one? Here we will write only answer RBI. We'll take the second example. District Judge, High Court Judge, Commissioner, Supreme Court Judge. So here we will just write answer Commissioner. Do not write the question, just write down the answer. It is better to leave one line between two questions. If the MCQ complete the sentences is asked, then how to write it? In this type of MCQ, no options will be given. We will take the example. The process of contracting a business function to specialized agencies is known as dash. Here you must write complete sentence with the answer. So, the process of contracting a business function to specialized agencies is known as outsourcing. The answer should be highlighted and underlined. We'll take the second example. The term bank comes from the French word dash. So we will write the sentence and the answer. The term bank comes from the French word banco. Underline the answer. So in this way we will write complete the sentences MCQ in exam. Then next MCQ is answer in one sentence. For example, what is staffing? So we must write the meaning of staffing only in one sentence. Do not write a big answer. Only in one sentence we must write what is staffing. So the answer can be, it is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, remunerating, developing and retaining the best workplace. It is only one sentence in which the whole process of staffing is explained. So this is the way we must write answer in one sentence. The next MCQ is correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentences. We will take the example. District Commission is also referred as People's Court. Here the underlined word is wrong. We have to replace it with the correct word and then we must rewrite the sentence. So how we will write it? District Commission is also referred as People's Court. It is completely wrong. So what is referred as People Court? Of course, Lok Adalat. So we will write it. Lok Adalat is also referred as Public Court. Here we will highlight and underline Lok Adalat because this is our answer which we replace. We will take the another example. Social responsibility is narrower term than legal responsibility of business. The word narrower is underlined. So we have to correct this underlined word. So the right answer will be social responsibility is wider term than legal responsibility of business. Highlight and underline the word wider. In this way we have to write this MCQ. The next MCQ is select the correct option from the bracket. For example, planning is a detailed program of present, future, past course of action. So we must select the correct option from the bracket. And how we must write it? Planning is a detailed program of future course of action. Underline and highlight the selected option. So this is the way we will attempt this type of question. The next one, arrange in proper order. We'll take the example, controlling, organizing, planning and directing. Simply write down your answer here in the correct order: planning, organizing, directing, controlling. That's it. Then another type of MCQ, select the correct option and complete the following table. In this MCQ, the answers will be given in the bracket and group A and group B will be written. Whatever fill in the blanks are there, that we have to fill from the options which are given in bracket. So we have to draw the table in our answer sheet also, group A and group B. Then the first question, amount of compensation in district commission, that you write here, and then here dash is given. So in group B you must write the correct answer, that is does not exceeds rupees 1 crore. Then the second question is dash state commission. So here we have to write the answer from the option High Court judge and then here state commission. In this way you can attempt this type of question. I would like to give you one tip. Whenever we read any type of MCQ, first try to understand from which chapter it is asked. Once you understand from which chapter it is asked, it is easier to find the right answer for that question. For more videos, subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends so all will be benefited. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.